Okay, 14. And 16. 17. Okay. How about some now 8? Okay. Okay, 18. 19. And 20. Okay. Okay, number 14. Example 14 is again simple math, but it's not real, math. But how can you, respond, quickly? That's what it is, response test. Okay, number 14 is, okay, 4 cents stamp and 7 cents stamp. So total stamp is 50 cents worth. So how many stamps he can use it, 4 cents or 7 stamps? So this case make 50 cents. So 4 cents stamp 2, 7 cents stamp 6. That's going to be 50 cents worth. But another way, the 4 cents stamp, 9 stamp and 7 stamp, 2 is also make 50 cents. So we cannot decide it. So many ways. So we cannot decide it. Okay. Number 16. It's kind of a language problem. It's a word, because in the SAT, sometimes even American students, they don't understand what they're asking. So this one will be how to read it carefully. So x times y is 900. Then difference of x and y is 30. X and y difference is 30. So to make it equal, x minus y equal x minus over plus 30, right? So from here, once x cancel out, 2y is 30. So y is 15. So y is 15, plug over there, x is 60. So y is the smallest number, 60 is the largest number, integer. That's what it is. That's asking, okay? Okay, next one is, okay, Fred and Phil, they have a seashell. Then Fred has 80% of Phil's. So here we say Phil has X shell. Then Fred is a 0.8 shell. Then okay, they say Phil has 80 more shells than Fred. So to make it equal, we know the fact Phil has 80 more. So to make it equal, x minus 80. That means Phil has x shell, then minus 80 is equal to 0.8x. To make it equal, you have to subtract 80 over there. Then simplification, this one is over there, so minus 0.2x is minus 80, so x is 400. So how many total together? Okay, so plug x over there, and the plug over there is 400 plus 320 is 720. Okay, next one is, okay, she won the game, she got $5. Okay, she lost $2. So their ratio is 3 and 2, right? So in a winning case, actual number she play is 3K. Make sure 3K, and the lost case is 2K. Then total is $66. That means total is a net income. Okay, net only is $66. That means winning minus lost will be 66. So right there, what is the winning total? 3K. Actual play is 3K times 5 is winning, and minus lost 2 times 2K. Right there is $66. So this one is 15K minus 4K is 66. So K is, from there, 11K is 66. 11K is 60. So K is 6. Then how much she won? How many K's how much she won is 5K, right? So K is 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. So she won $30 actually. Okay. Next one is, okay, basketball shooting, free throw. So 10 player has 100 free throw, 100 shot. So their average is 75, they say. Okay. So average 10 people, right? 10 players. So A to P, I'm sorry, right there. A, B, C, A plus, second player, third player, fifth player, and the ninth player, and the last player is P. B. So 75. So their total is 750. Okay. Then they say A player between A and B, there's A player is, their average is 79. So their total is 79 times 8 is 632. Okay. Then question is, to get a fused in a throw, B should be in a maximum or A should be maximum. We say B is 100. Okay, we pick the B as a maximum. Then automatically A is fused. So we're gonna to find the lost score, 700 minus 632 over there. Then this is gonna be 100. Then lost score is 18. So player A should have at least score 18. That's what it is. So anyway, to find, it's kind of tricky to find the lost score. You have one of them should be maximum. That's what it is. Okay, 20. 20 is very we have to compute slowly. It's not a big problem at all. Okay, in a box, we don't know how much in it, but N took half of this and $1. Okay, so how much left? Okay, we're gonna left out. Find the left out. So X minus N should take this much, right? So X over 2. Let me a little bit zoom it. A little bit zoom it. Okay, a little bit. Okay, okay. N took so X minus X over 2 plus 1. So left over is X over 2 minus 1. This much left. Then is, I'm sorry. So then has a half of this, half of leftover, then plus $1. So half of leftover is half X over 2 minus 1, and he got $1 more from the box. So once you figure it out this, this calculation is x over 4 plus half. Then leftover is Stan. Stan got a leftover. That was $11. So we're gonna figure out how much left. What portion is left? Okay, we have a box XLR right there. Then N got this much, and then got this much. So we have to minus together. Then this calculation is x minus half x over 2 minus 1 minus x over 4 minus 1. That's going to be a 1/4 x minus 3 over 2. That's going to be $11, right? Then we move this part over there. 11 plus 3 over 2 is 1/4 x. 1/4 4x. So this calculation is 25 over 2 is 1/4 x. So x is $50. So box had a $50 initially. Okay, that's what it is. Now we're gonna do a little vocabulary again. 오케이. 노블은 고상하고 좋은 걸 노블이라고 해야 돼. 이그노블 그럼 반대예요. 오케이. 그래서 이그노메틱. 이건 나쁜 거죠. 오명이라는 그런 뜻이 나쁜 거. 그 다음에 여기 형용사는 adjective는 ignominious. volunteer하고 volition은 이게 루트는 틀린데 different root, but are used in the same because of very close meaning. Okay, volition, I'm sorry, volunteer는 여러분이 이렇게 의지적으로 하는 거고, volition은 will, 이 will, 내 의지, 그런 거를 얘기를 해요. nocturnal은 night의 뜻이에요. 밤중에 그 야행성 동물을 nocturnal animal, nocturnal insect 그래요. 그 다음에 이거예요. 낮에 움직이는 거 diurnal. 이건 diurnal은 daylight은 낮이죠. 빛이 있는 거 daylight. 그래서 nocturnal, diurnal 이렇게 되는 겁니다. juvenile. 이건 청년을 얘기하는 거예요. 청년. 그래서 rejuvenate 그러면 동사로 다시 청년이 되다. 그러니까 원기가 왕성하다, 젊어지다, 회춘하다 그런 뜻. rejuvenate. back to young again. 이게 fusion하고 차이점은 뭐냐면 이게 fusion은 fuse. 우리가 전기에서 쓰는 fuse 있지, 이렇게 fuse, 그건 녹잖아요. 그래서 fusion 그럼 녹는 거를 얘기하는 거예요. fusion. 녹다, melt, get together. 그렇게 여러 가지 미닝이 있어요. fusion은 divide, 나눠지다 그런 뜻이에요. 그래서 fusion 이렇게 틀린 겁니다. 그 다음에 divulge는 외우셔야 될 거예요. 이건 reveal, 이거 폭로하다 그런 뜻이다. divulge, 이건 외우셔야 돼요. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, thank you. 그리고 okay, I have a little bit of time left. 그리고 여러분이 SAT는요, 이렇게 아주 기초적인 거 쉬운 거 대학에 가서 하는 걸 얘기를 해요. 그래서 미국 대학에서는 미국 대학은 왜 좋으냐 하면은 여러분이 고등학교에서 배우는 걸 갖다가 기초로 해서 미국 대학에 가서 엔지니어링이나 매스하고 사이언티스트를 하게 되면 교수가 하는 말이 다 거기에 베이스 어폰 해가지고 하는 말이에요. 그렇기 때문에 이 미국 교육이 좋은 건 고등학교 때 공부하는 거에 연장이 되는 뜻이에요. 시험이 아니고. 그리고 대학 교육에서 물론 거기서 나오는 거는 그렇게 어려운 거 안 하고 진짜 practical하고 more in depth 그렇게 practical만 한 거예요. 오케이, thank you.